rebound and run the power play with more flow, more dynamic.
After basket, Simon, Cameron, and to play resting, rombo structure.
Bassala, quiero no que caces moscas, que mates moscas.
Any problem switch, but then everybody rebound.
Don't jump on the pump fakes because he wants to go inside, ¿vale? Focus on the main skills. Focus on the main skills.
Now, very important, Maledon, now he's touching the paint. We have to defend together.
Vamos a buscar un buen tiro, ¿vale? Vamos a buscar una buena ventaja. No queremos tirar rápido por miedo a que nos hagan la falta, ¿vale? No les queremos regalar el siguiente tiro. Seven is the offense. We are dribbling the ball too much. We are not setting good screen.
You have the ball here. You don't attack. Hostia. Come on, man. Stay with four guys.
You are not respecting yourself. And you don't know if we are in a special, if we are in UCA, you know nothing. And this is because you are not focused.